Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you to find display setting in Galaxy A35 5G. By the way, guys, in this video, I'm going to use A55 5G, but both the devices are completely same. So yes, this method is applicable for both devices. So just finding out the display setting, just go to settings here, scroll down. Here we have an option of a display, and in this section, we have a lot of display options. Like we can set it up the brightness, we can manage brightness, we can enable dark mode to light mode from this section. We have adaptive brightness option here. Talking about this refresh rate, so yes, we have motion smoothness, which is basically a refresh rate, and the phone is already set on 120 Hz, which is automatically adjusted. And if you want to set it to 60 Hz, so you can set to standard mode. Just go back, guys. There we have option of a font size and style. So yes, we can set it up the font size and style also. Talking about the screen timeout, so yes, we have screen timeout here. So these are all the display setting in Galaxy A35 5G. Talking about touch sensitivity, so yes, we can enable this feature. Charging and emission information, so these are all the settings. So that's it, guys, about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.